Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'll guide you on how to download apps on your iPhone without a payment method. If you don't have any payment options set up and still want to download apps, I've got you covered. Let's dive right in. To begin, ensure that your iPhone is connected to Wi-Fi. Then, navigate to your settings. Next, sign in with any Apple Idaho on your iPhone. Make sure to use the same Apple Idaho for the App Store. Now, revisit your Apple Idaho settings. Check if you haven't added any payment method under Payment Shipping. Click on Media Purchases and select View Password. Disable the password requirement if it's enabled. Return to Settings, tap on Screen Time, then Content Privacy Restrictions. Under iTunes App Store Purchases, ensure that app installations are allowed. Now you're all set to download any app from the App Store without needing a payment method. You can search and install apps hassle-free. Hope this tutorial was helpful. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to subscribe, comment, and thank you for watching.